everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a cloud effect pour with a twist. I'm going to be using my white cloud effect mix and my black cloud effect mix. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I've got my gloves on and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with my cloud effect white mix, which is Artist Loft Floetrol white mixed 50-50 with Behr satin enamel ultra pure white, I think it is. And then the black, I changed up my black cloud effect mix a bit. It is DecoArt satin enamel classic black mixed with Artist Loft Floetrol black, and it's like more like 75 Artist Loft to 25 DecoArt satin enamel. So I tried it once before with the 50-50 and it was just a little too much, I think. So I thought I'd try to tweak it just a bit. And all of my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And there is no silicone in any of the paints. Alright, so I'm just going to bend my cup, and here we go.